Namaskar, I'm Kalyani. I'm a Kathak dancer, a choreographer, and an art-based therapy facilitator. I was here at Chitkara International School for the CineMaestro Take 5 workshop. I was conducting the module for choreography, which includes Nritya, and Natya, the basic three elements of Indian classical dance. And it was fun working with the students, working with school. We had storytelling sessions. We worked on a few elements of Natya Shastra, which was really appreciated by the children, of course. And they took part very enthusiastically. And of course, the school, the Chitkara International School, is very supportive. The staff and everyone is very loving and very warmly. So I'm wishing you all the best, the students, for the upcoming film festival. Please give your best, use all your energy, and all the best. Thank you.